Hi, this is Brother Rich. I'm the Custom Courseware Director at eLearning Brothers. And in this segment, I'd like to talk to the instructional designers out there, um, especially when it comes to building e-learning. Many of us, I'm sure, have been stuck sometimes regarding how to best go about creating a storyboard that can be done quickly and efficiently. Sometimes we need a little bit of uh, I guess just a jump start on how to get going with content and how to start building things out. Oftentimes, you might go with a storyboard like this. Let's pretend that one of the bros came to me and said, "Hey, Rich, build us a custom course on eLearning Brothers. Let's just learn all about the history of the company and who we are and how we make our awesome sauce." So, I might come to my template, start to build this out, come here to my first page, and oftentimes the key question we ask as instructional designers is, well, where's our content? Of course, we should be taking a step back from there and saying, well, what does the learner need to know, believe, do, understand? We better define our learning objectives, but we'll save that for another blog entry. For today, I just want to talk about how to really kind of shortcut the development process to just move much more quickly. And when you hand off to your developers, make things go much more efficiently on the back end. So if I pop out here to the website and I'm looking for some information about, well, I got to learn something about the company, maybe I'll pop over here and click on About Us. And if I need to start building my story out, typically what I'll do when I'm storyboarding is just quickly try to find the right information as fast as I can. So maybe I'll just use this picture here to give my developer some idea of what I want to portray where. Maybe I'll start with some information on company history. And then I want to get to my main point here, which is, once I'm kind of a couple pages into the storyboard, I may determine that, when I finally start to get a sense of how the content will be laid out, if I take a step like this and say, well, I don't have a ton of information here, but maybe I want to build a quick bullet list that says, what are we all about? Well, I could do a boring bullet list that just has the narrator say, the brothers, eLearning Brothers, really are brothers. And sometimes they talk about who's smarter or better looking. Sean is smarter and better looking, by the way. We've developed e-learning for major Fortune 500 companies. We build e-learning teams from scratch. Oh, that might be some good content. I'll put that into a bullet list. We have expert multimedia and graphic designers. Oh, and this is important. Our mission is to make your e-learning awesome. Okay, well, I want my learning audience to know all about that stuff. Well, if I want to make it look awesome and make things easier on the back end, here's what I recommend. Come out here to the template library. You can see I'm already logged in here. If you're not logged in, of course, you just click up here on Login. And maybe I know that I'm going to be building this in Storyline, so I might come out here to Storyline and choose one of these options. Maybe I like this option here. Here's the nice Storyline notes and paper style. So I'm going to find a particular template that I like. I think, how can I lay this out well? Kind of step through here and find out what works and what I think would potentially be a nice layout for my screen. So in this case, let's see, maybe I'll start with something like this. This looks pretty nice. So I'll grab a copy of this. And again, keep in mind, we're just doing instructional design here, right? So I'll grab that and I'll drop it right into my storyboard here. And what I want to do, my goal is to create something that will help my learning developer, when I finally get there, understand really what it is that I'm hoping they'll do, which will save them time. Usually I'll take a box or something and just draw it over the top here so that we can easily just write on it. Then I'll come in here and I'll insert a quick text box. So that gives me something to work with. And then I'll say, click each option to learn about the bros. And once I've done that, I tell my developer exactly what I want to happen with each click. And the nice thing is you can see that I've got the storyline template right up here at the top, indicates exactly which one to use from the library. And the beautiful thing about this, everybody, is that it really, really streamlines your development process. Once a developer gets this kind of a storyboard from our designers, they know exactly what the vision of the designer is and how to move forward with quickly creating awesome e-learning using templates that have already been suggested. So anyway, I hope that's helpful, and happy e-learning.